Okay, we're going to start our spatchcock chicken by slicing the bird up the spine. I'm going to start at the neck here and just cut along that spine line. Okay, now we've got one end cut. Of course, just cut the other side. And sorry, my chicken appears a bit jaundiced here, but you know, what am I going to say? That's the local grocery store. Okay, and we'll just reserve this for stock or whatever you want to do with it. Next up, playing chicken doctor here. You're going to find a bit of cartilage in here. So you just want to take a knife and cut this back just a little bit. Just so you get a kind of a snap and the bird starts to spread apart, just like that. Now we got the bird open, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil inside of here, followed by some garlic. Now you can use fresh if you have it, but I just find the powder just as convenient. Some paprika. Now this is about, I'd say half a teaspoon of each. Thyme. Gotta have thyme with chicken. And some oregano or oregano. And last but not least, some salt. And pepper. Now we'll just give this bird a little bit of a massage. Make sure we get into every little nook and cranny here. And we'll just give the bird a flip over. Flatten him out a bit there. Perfect. And well, of course, we're going to do this for the other side. Now, I should mention this is traditionally done with smaller birds like game hens. So, you know, a 1 or 2 pound bird is fantastic. Don't do it with a turkey or anything like that. And we'll give this bird a rub down one more time on the top side. And of course, tuck our wings under just for aesthetics. And to keep the tips from burning. Now I'm going to slip Mr. Chicken into the air fryer basket. Now, you can also do this in the oven, and believe me, it is absolutely spectacular done on the grill like this. And I'm just going to slip this into the air fryer, set at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. After about 45 minutes, just look at this, guys. Doesn't it look incredible? Plate this up, and our spatchcock chicken is done. Okay guys, let's cut into some of this breast meat and see what we have. Oh, just look at that. It is juicy, done to perfection. Wow. Okay. And just look at this, guys. Isn't this spectacular? What a way to do a chicken. Okay, let's give this a taste. I have to say, this is one of the nicest birds I've ever had. It's juicy. Just love the seasoning. And fast. What a great way to do a chicken. Spatchcock chicken, or spatchcock chicken. You gotta try this. Absolutely spectacular. More chicken time. As always, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Tune into the radio station. And if you like what you saw, hammer that like button and don't forget to subscribe for many more recipes. That's a lot. Anyway, guys, stay safe and see you next time.